Welcome guys, today I am with the Haylou MoriPods and I'm gonna show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. On the bottom of the case you can find input for the USB-C cable. Next you have to open the case and take them out of it. And in most cases they will turn on automatically. And these indicators right here and those places will start blinking. As you can see in my case, it is not working, so what I have to do, we have to just turn them on. Right here you can find touch control panel. You have to click and hold it at the same time in the both earbuds until these indicators start blinking. Just like that. Right now you have to remove these panels and then go for the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone. Right now, click to pair a new device and find your Haylou MoriPods. Next, just accept pairing request. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.